Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Twitter, or more recently known as X, and more specifically I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you block someone on Twitter? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to block someone on Twitter anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you are a Twitter influencer, you know that sometimes you get some trolls, so sometimes it's better just to go ahead and block them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the X or Twitter app. It's this black and white one here on the right. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Twitter now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Twitter. This is the For You homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to go ahead and block someone on Twitter, there's a couple of different ways you can do that. First, you need to go into their profile. So if they happen to be following you, the first thing you're going to do is click on your profile icon here on the top left. Once you do that, you will see a drop-down menu, and in order to block someone on Twitter, go ahead and go into your followers right here on the top right. Okay, so here it's going to show you all of the different followers that you have on Twitter. You can see I just have 5, and in order to go ahead and block someone on Twitter, just click on their profile icon for the person that you want to block. So we'll go ahead and block this fake account right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see their profile page on Twitter, and in order to block this person, you're going to click on these 3 little dots here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to look for this line right here called block. It's going to show their profile name and then also the circle with a cross through it. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop-up message confirming that you would like to block that person on Twitter. They do let you know that once you block that person on Twitter, you're no longer going to see notifications from them, and then also they will no longer be able to follow or message you. If that's okay with you, go ahead and click this red block button here on the right. Just a quick second later, the page refreshes. You get this confirmation saying that person is blocked on Twitter for you. Also, their posts will disappear. However, you can still see their posts as long as they haven't blocked you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to block someone on Twitter, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.